Hello, my beautiful and amazing people. How are you all doing? I hope you people are in good health. I welcome you all to Akudo's kitchen. In today's video, we will be making honey butter rolls. Please, after watching, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also remember to turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. The ingredients that I'll be using are 600 grams of flour, 7 grams of dry yeast, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 whole egg, 60 grams of melted butter, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 300 milliliters of warm milk. Start by pouring your warm milk into your bowl. Add in your dry yeast, the melted butter, your egg, and the honey. Whisk everything together and then add in your flour. Finally, add in your sugar and salt. Then mix everything together. Sprinkle some flour on your working area and continue kneading the dough until the dough is soft. Grease your bowl. And place the dough inside it. Cover and allow to rest for 1 hour. This is the dough after resting for 1 hour. Bring it out on your working area. And spread it out with your hands. Then use a rolling pin to roll it out. After that, apply some butter on it. And roll it up. And start cutting the dough. Cover and allow to rest for 30 minutes. It is time to egg wash the rolls. I have 1 egg and a bit of milk mixed together. After that, sprinkle some sesame on them. This is optional. Bake for 20 to 22 minutes at 160 degrees centigrade. We have come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.